Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Coach unboxing for you. So I've had this bag for a few days and I've been sick, so I haven't been able to film this, and I've been dying to see this bag. So this came from Coach, and here is the box. So fairly big box. I did open it, but I didn't look inside. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look. It's Rexy. Super cute. So beautiful bag or box. And this is just a, thank you for shopping with us. So here's the box. And I'm assuming this is the receipt. I will go ahead and look at it. I don't remember what I paid for it. I don't know if it'll be on here. Okay, yeah. So this is, it was on sale, and I will put the price down below if you are interested. So, yeah. All right, so let's get into the box. All right. Lid is off. Nicely packaged, as you can see. And you can see yeah, they package it so nicely. I mean, it's got all this paper in here. I mean, if you don't like wasting paper, then it's definitely wasting paper, but at least it's, kind of cushioned from everything. So any guesses as to what it is? I think this is my first Coach bag. Gosh, I don't know if even I bought a Coach bag years ago from the Coach store. So this may be my first. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. And it is the Rogue 25, and this is the color, I think it's called Beechwood. I will put that down below. I think it's on the receipt. And yeah, so in case you're interested, I'm not sure if they still have it. I don't know where I got that, I guess from the box. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I will look for it, and if I can find it, then I will link it. So there are feet on the bottom, which is so. I just really liked this because I don't have any other bags in this color, like, at all. I am afraid a little bit of color transfer, so I'll have to be really careful and mindful of that. I do wear a lot of black to work, black and navy, so I'll have to be careful of that. But yeah, so here it is with the long straps. So the straps are in that, I guess, vanilla color. And then you have the top handle, which that was one reason why I really wanted this bag. There are a couple reasons, actually. It's because you have multiple ways to wear it. So did I see somewhere where you can attach these two? So take them off and attach one to the other and then have it be a little bit longer. I think I saw that somewhere. So, you can wear it over your shoulder with these, or top handle, obviously, with this. I like multiple ways to wear a bag. I don't want just a top handle bag or really just a crossbody bag. I like to have different ways to wear it. Also, I wanted it because there are different, pockets, and I love pockets. So this has like the mustard colored lining, and unzip, get inside. Of course, it's stuffed, so I'm going to take out the stuff. The inside is buttoned, so I'm going to take that out. All right, so on the inside we have kind of like a, I guess maybe it's a canvas lining, and there's a pocket here that buttons, and then on the other side where the, I guess this is the Creed, the Coach Creed, where it is, there is a zip pocket there, and the product information booklets are inside there. And no outside pockets. I really do like outside pockets on purses in general, just because I like to have somewhere to put my phone, but because these have the 2 slip pockets here, I'm totally fine with it. So I actually ordered another hang tag. They gave the option of ordering one for, I think it was like $8. It wasn't very expensive. And I tried to order it in this color. It's really hard to tell online, and I don't think the color names matched or something. I can't remember. But I did have it personalized, but it's not in the box. So I'm going to see if I have another box from them. I'm not sure. But that's kind of a cool thing that you can do. So personalize it in the sense of put your initials on it, or a symbol like a heart or something like that. I think you can put 3. So 3, you know, letters, numbers, symbols, or, you know, whatever you want. Or, you know, you just put 1. I think I put 3. So anyway, I'm really excited about it. And yeah, for watching. I hope you have a great day. And I hope you have a great week wherever you are. And I will talk to you soon.